This week I was asked, how do I add a password to a Word document? Well, let's take a look how. So you have a Word document, you want to add a password. It doesn't matter if you've saved it or not, you can add the password. So you go up to File and down to Save As. And in Save As, you click on the Browse button or the Browse option. And within there, it will ask you where you want to save it. I'm going to put in my data files. And then you go down to Tools. If you wanted to have that document saved with a password, you would just oversave it, doing this same thing. So you click on Tools, and then you go into the General options. And in general, you have two main options here. You have a password just to open it. Now this is to open it as read-only, and so people can't edit it. And then you have an option for modifying it. So if you just wanted people to be able to open it and not make changes, then you can put a password for modify, and then they can open it as read-only without any password. But if you want a password to even open it, you put passwords in both. You can also tick the read-only recommended, which means it'll recommend that they go into read-only. Okay. So I'm just going to put passwords in. That's it. And then I'm just going to click on OK. And it's now going to ask me to confirm. And it asks me which, or it tells me which password it's confirming. So this is the top password. And then it'll come up to confirm the second one. And if you put in the wrong password, it will tell you that you haven't put in the correct password. Okay, so there we go, and we click on Save, and now, there we go. And now when I go into Open It, it will ask me for this. I'm just going to close this. I'm going to open that one again. And it asks me for my password. Okay, so this is a password to open it. And if I wanted to edit it, I'd have to put in the other password to modify it, or I can just click on this read only to be able to view it but not make any changes. And you'll notice that when it's in read only, quite a lot of the tabs and the options here at the top are all grayed out. So I can just read it and go through. Okay, if you wanted to take the passwords off, you would just do the same thing but removing the passwords. So you go File, Save As, click on Browse, and then you go into your Tools. You can notice I'm leaving it in the same spot, leaving the same name, going to General Options, and I'm actually going to delete to make sure both are deleted. I then click on OK, and then I save. Because it's read-only, I have to go in and open it as a... So if I wanted to save this, I have to open it as modify. Right, you can see, yeah. So if I just close it again, reopen it. And this time, go. Put in the second password, and that's it. Now, if I do a file, save as, browse, go into Tools, General Options, and then delete both passwords. Now click on OK, save. It now has removed the passwords. If you have any other questions, would like me to create more videos on other topics, please do put suggestions in the comments. And if you like this video, please do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, then please do subscribe to my channel. Or if you want to see more cats, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and have a really great day. Bye for now.